The Parliament of Religions opened on the September 11, 1893. It was held in a large building called the Hall of Columbus. Swami Vivekananda sat in front with the other delegates. Cardinal Gibbons of the Roman Catholic Church sat at the center. On both sides were delegates who were representing various countries and their religions. There were a few delegates from India too. Mojumdar and Nagarkar represented the Brahmo Samaj. Dharmapala represented the Buddhists. Chakravarti and Mrs. Basant represented Theosophy. The hall was full with close to 4,000 people. Swami Vivekananda felt nervous as it was a large gathering and a grand occasion. The chairman requested Swamiji to speak many times, but he couldn't get himself to do it. Finally, in the afternoon, the chairman announced Swamiji's name without asking him. Swamiji had to stand up and face the audience. He started by saying, "Sisters and brothers of America." The audience were tremendously moved by the way Swamiji addressed them and they began to clap and cheer. Everyone was on their feet, applauding and cheering. Swamiji was so moved he could speak no more. The applause went on for several minutes. After silence was restored, Swamiji started to speak again. His concise speech presented Hinduism as a great religion. He said that Hinduism taught that all religions were worthy of respect and we should accept them. The other speakers spoke only of their respective religions, but Swamiji spoke about the truth in all the religions. The audience was impressed and Swamiji's speech was very well appreciated. He became a famous personality with all newspapers featuring him. Swami Vivekananda gave many speeches at the Parliament of Religions. His paper on Hinduism was the most famous one. The chairman scheduled Swamiji's speech for the end so that people would stay back as he had become everyone's favorite. When people started to leave, the chairman would announce that Swami Vivekananda was going to give a short speech after some time. They would stay back to listen to Swamiji's speech. The streets of Chicago were full of Swamiji's posters. People were talking about Swamiji and his greatness as a speaker. Everyone was impressed by Swami Vivekananda. The Indians were very proud of Swamiji. Newspapers wrote about his fame in the West and the appreciation he received. His brother monks at Baranagar were immensely pleased as their Naren now became popular worldwide as Swami Vivekananda. The poverty in India continued to worry him despite his popularity abroad. His mind was full of thoughts for uplifting the poor in India. He was invited by a rich man on the night of his triumph at the Parliament. Among other comforts, he was given a room with a big comfortable bed, but Swamiji could not sleep on it. The thought of poor in India troubled him so much. He chose to sleep on the floor instead. He had a great deep rooted love for his country and his countrymen.